Hi there, I'm Mr. Bowenzi. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about dynamics. So today for this lesson, you're going to need your instrument and your essential elements for band book. We're going to go on page 9. Okay? And then while you're getting those, how about you think about what you know about dynamics? And a friendly reminder, if you need to go leave and get something, just pause the video, or if you need me to say it again, just pause the video and rewind. Okay? Awesome. So you should have gotten your instrument in your book now, and we're going to learn about dynamics. Now, first of all, let's review what are dynamics. Hopefully you came up with something along the lines of dynamics are how loud and soft our music is. Now, can you think of an example for that? I came up with an example. It's just like changing the volume on your music player. So we already know 3 dynamics already. Quickly tell yourself the 3 dynamics that we have learned so far. Here's one. What's its name? That's right, forte. What does forte mean? Hopefully you said something along the lines of loud or strong. So now, let's go ahead and say our names forte. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mr. Bowenzi! Just say it? Good job. All right, now let's go ahead and let's clap at a forte level. Ready? 1, 2, go. Awesome. Great job. Now, what's this dynamic? Hopefully you said mezzo forte. But what does mezzo forte mean? Did you say moderately loud? Good. All right, so let's say our name at the mezzo forte dynamic range. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mr. Bowenzi. All right, did you say it? Did you say it softer than the forte? Good job. Now, go ahead and let's clap at mezzo forte. Ready? And again, that should have been softer than forte. Now, we have one more dynamic that we've learned. Do you remember it? Hopefully that you said piano, right? And what does piano mean? Did you say soft? Great job. All right, so let's go ahead and say our names soft, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mr. Bowenzi. Great job. Let's go ahead and clap at a piano. Fantastic. Oh, you're so good. Now, I bet you, I've got a question for you. We have these 3 different dynamics, but is it possible to play in between those dynamics? So, go to page 9 of your Essential Elements book and read the orange box called Dynamics. I'll wait, or you can pause the video. All right, so we have, the first one we have is called Crescendo. All right, and so you'll see those 2 lines that start really small and then get gradually louder, and that's what we're going to do with our sounds. We're gradually going to get louder with our sound, right? Can you think of an example? The one that I thought of was turning the volume up slowly on your music player, right? Okay, now we have that next one. Decrescendo or diminuendo. All right, you see how those lines start apart and then gradually get closer together? You're going to do that with your sound too, and we're going to gradually get softer. So, can you think of an example of that? The example I came up with was turning your volume down slowly on your music player. Nice. Okay. Now, so what's the difference between mezzo forte, piano, and forte, and crescendo and decrescendo? Hopefully, you came up with something along the lines of crescendo and decrescendo are gradual changes in dynamics over time, And then forte, mezzo forte, and piano are ranges of dynamics. Although also, when you see them in music, you're going to make an instant change. Oh, good job. Now, take a moment and find all the dynamics in number 50. I see 5. Did you find them? All right, so the first one I found was piano, and then crescendo, and then forte, and then decrescendo, and then piano again. Did you find all of those? Good job. Now, take a moment and pause the video and practice clapping the rhythm for number 50. And don't forget the dynamics, and when you're ready, play the video again. Great. Did you remember the repeat? All right, so let's go ahead and clap it together. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Great job. If you want to do it again, just pause the video, rewind, and then do it again. Or you can just pause the video and do it by yourself. You don't need me. You're so smart. Okay, now we're going to play it on our instrument. Okay? So, and we're going to play it on a concert B flat. And if you don't remember what a concert B flat is, there's the note that you play right there. Okay? So, remember, we're going to start soft and then gradually get louder, and then we're going to be strong, and then we're going to get soft. Don't forget to repeat. All right, show me that you're ready. Okay? Don't forget to tap your foot on the beat. 1, 2, ready, and play. Did you get it? If not, just try it again, right? If at first you don't succeed, try again. Now, we just spent all this time learning about dynamics, so I want you to do me a favor. Go find someone in your house and show them what you learned today, okay? Use your words and your instrument, because this is what the whole reason we do this, right? So, hopefully, when you go and tell them that person, you'll talk to them about how we learn to gradually change our dynamics from soft to loud, or from loud to soft, and you talk to them about the difference between forte, mezzo forte, and piano, which are dynamic ranges and instant changes, versus crescendo and decrescendo, which are gradual changes. So, thank you for being here today. I'm Mr. Wenzi. It's been a pleasure talking to you about music and dynamics. And in other ways, thanks for being you.